Stole my treasure. Wait, why am I the treasure? Hey, let me out! Stoneforged trapped an entire goblin in a PC? Actually, this kind of goes hard. Look at all this. The caution tape, the busted wood, the gold, the gems, the shinies. Ugh, it's my dream hideout. There are so many tiny details hidden everywhere. Even my little goblin dolls thrown in there. Poor little guy. And me, I never made it out. Ugh. And before you ask, no, those are not stickers. Everything is UV printed directly onto the panel. That means no peeling, no lifting corners, no weird bubbles. Just glorious me, built to stay. This is my official Stoneforged PC Case collab. Get yours before another goblin steals them. You've been warned.